Okay, looks like Dad's busy on the Whippet. What you doing to it?
Fixing it. Still don't like how it sputters. I'll probably have to take the carburetor apart to get that out. But there's no more vacuum leak.
You got the vacuum leak taken care of?
Fix the choke. Now the choke is backwards. Push it in the choke, pull it out from the brake. It's a really
It's got a push choke now instead of a pull choke.
yeah, it's a push choke. I got it set on 2 pounds. Inside.
It's going to be a light one because it was an old vacuum pump.
Yeah. It was anyway.
We'll take a venture down into the basement. Here's what she looks like underneath. Got all the original wood on it. Running boards. See here the mechanical brake. Pretty neat. Willys had an open drive line. Everybody else had torque tubes. I got a pinion seal. See where she went there. This is the Willys. See there, all wood floor. All hardwood floor. Keep getting the carburetor adjusted in there. Probably gonna have to pull it and clean it. She's a steaming.
That's my little Whippet. I need to tighten up that bolt right there. It's got a packing like a faucet. And you turn that bolt, that nut on a faucet, when it's got that rope seal in it, and it squishes down on it. And that's what's going on.
That's where the antifreeze was coming from.
Well, that, and it could be low on antifreeze. Then it needs the oil change because it's got all that gas in the oil.
In it, yep, from the carburetor flood now.
Right.
But there she is. I got my gasket set in for my Y block, so I'm gonna get busy on that. Meantime, we're stacking them in here like cordwood. We got a 39, a 28, and a 55.
58.
Well, that's 55. It's going in a 58.
But that's what it's going in.
And there's a view of the motor that's going in it in the 39. You can see it a little better there. All together now with the 700 R4 tranny, so it's got overdrive. And polished off a little bit on the steering column there. Got all the holes welded in we're not going to be using, and the little extension sleeve part coming out for the column, the steering shaft there, and then he'll wrap that with a rubber boot, and we'll make a boot to come down and seal that right there. Seal that all up real good. So she's getting closer, and I'm gonna put this camera down and go to getting my metal hot. Okay, and we'll see you on the next.